5 real estate investment strategies if you're thinking investing in real estate. Hi there, I'm Nawar Naji, a real estate broker with Chestnut Park Real Estate in the city of Toronto. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, make sure to click on subscribe and that bell button to get notified of my videos. I'm going to give you 5 investment strategies if you're thinking of investing in real estate in 2021 and beyond. First is condos. Now, condos you can split into resale and pre-construction. Condos are considered to be the least hands-on type of investment because you have the condo fees, there's a condo corp, there's a property management company. So it's really suited for the super busy lifestyle type of real estate investor. So, you're busy with kids, with work and other life commitment. Then the condo market, resale or pre-construction, and I won't really get into the pros and cons of each in this video, but the condo market is one investment strategy to consider if that is your lifestyle. The second investment strategy is student housing. Now, this one is more hands-on. I do recall when I was in university, there was some serious damage done to these type of houses. You have 5 or 6 university students living there. The cash flow is great, but the wear and tear is high. So the repairs and maintenance when students move in, move out, there's work to be done to set it up for the next set of students to come in because, again, the house experiences wear and tear throughout those 8 to 12 months when the students are living there. Now, keep in mind with student housing is financing is a little bit tricky because not all banks finance student housing. So that is one discussion you need to have with your bank or mortgage broker if you're considering that investment strategy. The third investment strategy is single family to fourplex. Now, this is a little bit broad because there's quite a bit of difference and options in between. So single family is, you buy a house, townhome, and you rent it to one family. You can get it to a duplex, triplex, fourplex, where you have, again, 2, 3, 4 units. I've personally done duplex conversions where I've taken single family homes and legalized them into duplexes. There's, subgroups or sub-niche markets in that range if you're considering single family up to a fourplex. And the other thing too with that category is you can get residential mortgages, not commercial mortgages, which is good for financing and it is at a lower cost. The fourth investment strategy is multifamily. So this needs a little bit more experience because you got to come in with a team, and this refers to properties of 5 units or more. So you can buy a 6plex, 7plex, 8plex, that type of investment. And again, you got to have really the system set up where you have a property management, you have a maintenance schedule, all that type of stuff, because you're taking on a bunch of tenants all at the same time, and you got to have a system in place to manage and move forward with that type of investment. Fifth type of investment strategy is flips. So this is where you buy an old bungalow, you tear it down and build. You buy a lot and you sever into 2 different properties and you build and sell. Now, doing flips is high risk, high reward because it is very easy to blow the budget, to have cost overruns, to run into issues. And on a scale of experience, condos, I would say, is, I guess if you want to call it the first step. And then as you get into flips, that's really the more experienced, the more sophisticated type of investment strategy. Now, I have seen people jump on the deep end, but the key here is to surround yourself by a very strong team. People who are experienced, an experienced real estate agent, an experienced mortgage broker. You got to have the contractor and the builder, all those guys in place because, again, you can really, be profitable, but at the same time, you can really lose a lot of money when it comes to doing flips. If you're thinking of investing in real estate, please feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to share my experience with you doing, again, those conversions of single family to duplexes. I've bought triplex, I've done condos. Right now I'm doing flips. And again, I'd be more than happy to connect you with my strong team and share my personal experience and all the lessons that I've learned over the years investing in real estate. And last but not least, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, happy investing.